Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is a Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box and this is the mini version. So we have like two of them, so we're going to go over the unboxing and all of that good stuff. And there is also going to be a giveaway of one of these boxes to my subscribers, and to enter the giveaway all you have to do is smash that subscribe button and also leave your contact details below in the comments such that I could reach out to you, and I'm also going to announce the winner in the comments, so do check out for that. And without further ado, let's get to today's video. And the mini box is $25 and you would be getting value of $48. And about this beauty, so the mini mystery box contains 3 items. So these are the items. Now let's go over each and every product what we got. The first beauty that I have is this one right here. What is this? So here is the beauty. So this is diet root beer. And what is this? Oh, it's a lip scrub. Good to know. Let's see. So here is the beauty. So this is how it looks. Wow, look at this. And here is the packaging. That's so cool. Lip scrub, and it smells good. So this is how it looks inside. I love the smell of it. I don't know what it has got. Let's see about this beauty. Use a delicious sugar-based lip scrub to prep your lips before applying any liquid lipstick. Take a scoop out and rub your mouth in circular motions. Lick away excess. Yes, it's edible, or wipe it off with a tissue. Okay, let's see about the ingredients. Sucrose. Is that edible? I'm not sure. Glycerin. I don't think we can hit glycerin. Okay, and jojoba seed oil and silica, and it has got fragrance, sodium benzoate, caramel, and the potassium sorbate and grapeseed extract. So these are all the ingredients that this has got, and it smells delish. So that is one. Let's see what we have next. The next beauty that I have is this beauty, and this is what? This is again the velour liquid lipstick, and this is in Family Jewels. So this is the color, I'm assuming, but let's see. Okay, so this is the color we're looking at. So I'm going to swatch this for you guys. So this is what we're looking at. Why it has got like, this is the cap and here is the opening. So I thought for some reason this is also cap. Okay, so I'm going to swatch this for you guys. So here is the swatch, and this one is the velour liquid lipstick. Our liquid lipstick goes on opaque, dries completely matte, and stays on for hours. And this one retails for $18. So I'm going to try this on. So this is how it's looking. Not bad. I think I actually like it. I really love it for some reason. Let me know in the comments below if you really like this lipstick look. The one that I was wearing previous from what was that? KVD, and this is in the color Suspiria. So this is the lipstick, basically this is the color one. I really love it for some reason. I'm going to use it. for sure. The next beauty that we have is the gloss, the shade Beaded Glass. Wow, you guys, look at this packaging. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Look at this. It's so pretty. It looks like the crown, Queen's crown. That's what it looks. So this is how it opens. Here is how it looks. I'm going to swatch this in here. That's such a pretty color. Wow, look at this. I love it. I don't know, I love it so much. I love the packaging, in fact. Okay, let's see about this beauty. So this one also retails for $18, and this is the gloss, our first ever lip gloss formula, and they are like two finish glitter fantasy or extreme shining. So this is how it looks. So this is the gloss. So I applied this one on top of this beauty that we got. So I like the combination of these two. I love both of these, and this one as well. So this is how it looks, just a close-up again. So this is how this one looks, and this is the gloss, and the next beauty is this one. This is the shade that we are looking at. So all of these are pretty, and I'm happy about this mini unboxing video, and as well as all of the products that I received in my mystery box. And also there is the one for giveaways, and there is going to be unboxing of this beauty. So this is also one of the Jeffree Stars like items that I brought. So I'm going to do the unboxing in my next coming up video. So don't forget to stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for that unboxing as well. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And love you guys so much, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.